Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about friction. So, what is friction? Let's discuss. Friction is the opposing force which is applies on the body in relative motion's opposite direction. For example, a body is there on a surface and there is some friction on it on the surface. So let F be the force applied on the body, then an opposite force get applied on the surface of that body between the contact of the surface and that body, which is F or friction. Friction is of following types: sliding friction, rolling, sliding friction, rolling friction, and such that. Sliding, rolling. Next, we're discussing. We're discussing what are kind of types. Next, we will discuss what are the types of friction based on the motion of the body, based on the motion or position of the body relative to time. So, there are two types based on position relative to time. There are two types that are kinetic and static. Don't worry, we will discuss all about them in our next videos. So till then, please wait. Or then we will discuss laws of remitting friction. So friction, you can see the theory of friction. If two bodies are there like that, then there are different types of frictional forces acting on it. Actually, friction is component of two. Friction is the component of. Actually, friction is component of two vectors. One is Actually friction is component of two vectors. One is normal and another is resultant or contact force. So let me demonstrate you by this example. So you can see there are two surfaces, this one over here and another one over here. This whole surface, though this point over here is called cold welding. Cold welding. And this is having a normal force on it. So cold welding always applies on the tip of two surfaces which are on contact. So this was all about the first lecture of friction. If you have any doubt, please make sure to write them on our comment. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel.